Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to be unboxing and reviewing my latest Snow Cosmetics purchase. This is the Diamond Series Teeth Whitening Kit, and I just got it. Snow is a company that is focused on kind of healthy mouths, bright smiles. So I do have their previous teeth whitening, wireless teeth whitening kit, which I really like. I also have their whitening strips, which are really interesting because they absolutely dissolve versus you having to peel them off. So it's kind of interesting because you're not used to it. But this is supposed to have advanced whitening, repair your enamel, stop sensitivity, and I thought it's time to upgrade. So some of the things I liked about this is it's wireless because I'm a busy mom. I don't have time to be connected to anything really. But it has different modes. So the blue is going to be the whitening, red is for gum health, and then kind of there's an in-between. I don't know if you can see. Oh, I think it's a little bright. It also comes with these pens, or you purchase these pens. And this is where you put the whitening serum, I guess we'll call it, on your teeth. You put this on, walk around the house for a few minutes, and it's great. One of the things I didn't love about this one is this button is very easy to push even when it's in your mouth. So it could kind of turn off or change different colors while it was in your mouth. And I have heard this new one is an upgrade from that. So I'm excited to open it up and see. So first off, let's take out this box. This logo, everything's just really pretty. You see, it's like iridescent. So this one actually comes with a kit that is not only supposed to charge your mouthpiece, it actually sanitizes it. So that would be good for the go. You can kind of see it has the plugs behind here. And let's open her up. So yes, this one has a more tactile button. You see I can't accidentally push it. So I am hoping it doesn't have the same effects as in terms of like my lips accidentally touching it. In addition to this, to the mouthpiece, I did get the kit, which included 3 serums. And I believe the retail price is around $129, but I got it for a bit less because they were offering a deal for Prime. So they also include, let's see, charging accessories for use with all Snow devices. I like when a company includes charging accessories so you don't have to go out and buy your own or find some. And it is a nice braided cord. Let's see. It's USB-C, great. I love USB-C. Most of my appliances use it, so I'm always happy to get a new one of those. And it comes with a charging block too that says Snow. So you can't misplace it, or at least you can misplace it, but you can't confuse it. In addition, it comes with instructions, which I think I'm okay there, and then a guide to see where you were before, which I will do that. And then because I got the 3 wands, here are the 3 wand serums, which I'll take one out. They look like this, and it's a kind of, you twist up, similar to maybe some lip glosses you've seen. So I'm going to go ahead, turn on my light, and see what my teeth look like now. Okay. I think I'm like I'm trying to see what I am. I think I'm between a 3 and a 4. You can kind of see. Now you do want to start with clean teeth, so I did just brush my teeth. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over. And it's really easy to apply. You can twist up if you need more product. And I like that you can even get your back tooth. Okay, top. Let me do the bottom. Okay, and they say between 9 and 30 minutes, so I will be back around 9 minutes from now, and let's see what happens. Okay, it's been 9 minutes. I'm back, and one thing I noticed about this is the blue for whitening. This also has the red for gum care, so you can put that in after if you want to care your gums. Or this kind of has the same, the hybrid, if you, wow, you can't see that, but it's kind of blue and red. No, okay. This, if you could see it, it's blue and red, and this is if you want to take care of your gums and whiten your teeth at the same time, but I mostly use the blue. All right, so I did that for around 9 minutes. Then I spit everything out, or the rest of the serum out. My teeth feel fine, not super sensitive. It actually feels good. Let's see if it made a difference, which I'm a little skeptical because I did whiten my teeth not too long ago, at least at home. So let's see. So before, I think I was between a 3 and a 4. Now let's see. I think, I don't know, you can tell me if you feel differently. I think I'm probably closer to 2 and 3 for most of my teeth now. It's like this one is stubborn, but it happens. You can see. But look at that. So I think for the most part it made a difference. I only did it for around 9 minutes, which you can do it up to 30 minutes. So I think you can get greater results the longer you keep it in. But overall, my teeth feel great. I'm excited to kind of keep using this. And yeah, I love the fact that it comes with a case. I love the fact that it's kind of focusing on strengthening your enamel, which a lot of whitening systems actually break down your enamel. So yeah, I think it's worth it and an upgrade from the current one. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you currently use snow whitening, which products you like, what you think about them, what you like most about them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.